Hello. Hey, Royal family. Mrs. O is back. How you guys doing? All right. I know I extended the vacation, but you guys, it wasn't only vacation. Mrs. O is in the process of moving. Guess what? My rent went up by $400. So, oh yeah, I'm looking for something else. But anyway, thank you guys for sticking around. Thanks to all of my new subscribers. Thanks to my Ride or Die subscribers. I wanted to come on and do something quick today where we didn't have to turn on the oven and you can get your kids involved since, oh my God, they're out of school. So I've been seeing the fruit pieces going around. So you know me, I'm like, okay, they're doing fruit pieces. Why don't we do fruit cookies? You know, cut up the strawberries, the berries, and you know, let's put it on a cookie so everybody can just pick up their cookie and eat it without cutting it. You know what I'm saying? All right. I want to thank all of my new subscribers. Thank you. My Ride or Die, you guys rock. So this video will be pretty simple. So let's get started with the ingredients. And also you guys, don't forget to go check out my son. That boy can cook. I mean, he's been rocking. I'm really ashamed. He puts up a video almost every other day, if not every day. You hear what I'm saying? So go check him out and subscribe to him, you know, just for his effort. But, you know, he can cook, all right? So here we go. Instead of buying some cream cheese, the powdered sugar, okay, we're going to cheap route. Here is a, what size is this? 16-ounce can of Duncan Hines creamy cream cheese frosting. All right, we're gonna do something with this right here, all right? Here is a package of Pillsbury soft baked cookies, sugar cookies. And it says made with real butter, but I don't know. Okay, we're gonna use these instead of the ones that you get and cut and bake in the oven. So we're gonna kind of play with this right here. Of course, I have some raspberries here. I'm sorry, blackberries. I have some blackberries here. I have some beautiful, can you see this, strawberries here? I'm also going to do nectarines. So I bought 2 nectarines, and also I have a lime. Now, you know, Miss O has to cut the sugar. So we're going to take this lime and add it to the cream cheese frosting, you know, to kind of balance it out. All right, so what I'm about to do now is wash up all the fruit, cut it up, and then we're going to play with how we're going to put it on the cookies. All right, you guys, let's get in this kitchen and let's make something beautiful. All right, let's go. Okay, Royal family, I've washed off all of the fruit, and this right here are the nectarines. And what I want us to do, now these blackberries are pretty large, but oh my God, they are extremely sweet. So I'm not for sure how I'm going to cut these, but I do want us, when we cut the fruit, I want us to cut them into cubes. So what you want to do, let's square them off. And you guys, you know, not at my house, so I don't have my cutting boards, I don't have my knives, so I'm just using what is here, all right? So we're going to go ahead and I don't have my gloves, but trust me, I've washed my hands I don't know how many times. But what we're going to do, we're going to square this strawberry off. You see? Let me show you. Now I've cut the ends right here, and we're going to cut from the seedy part. I call it the seedy or the bumpy part. All right, let's do this. And you want to cut them small because I'm still trying to debate how I'm going to put it on the cookie. And also, I took that can of cream cheese frosting from Duncan Hines and I added a tablespoon of lime juice and I stirred it together. So, I mean, I'm not going to just keep you all day cutting these strawberries, because this one is kind of slippery. But always remember to keep your fingers back. All right, so what I want to do, you see that? Let's just cut it like into squares, because you got to remember the cookie is not that big. So can you see those? All right, let me show you up close. All right, here is the strawberry. You see how I cut it? And here is the nectarine, which is also sweet. You see how I cut that? All right, I'm going to go ahead and cut a few of them up. And then I'm going to come back and we're literally going to play with the cookie to see how we actually want to put the fruit on it, you know, for presentation and everything. And while I'm doing that, I'll decide what I'm literally going to do. I guess you need to be seeing more of the strawberries in my hand, huh? And the cookies that I showed you guys that I bought, they are frosted. But they are really, really delicious. So I'm thinking about doing a fruit cookie sandwich. I don't know. But once I cut up the fruit, we'll come back and see which one works the best. All right, hang tight. All right, I just wanted to show the blackberries. They're big enough to where I can cut it in half. Cut it in half, and I'm going to cut it into 4s. And I think that would be nice on the cookie. So take your blackberries, especially if they're big, cut it in half, and then cut it into 4s. But just don't mix it with the other fruit, because you don't want it to actually bleed. All right, this one is kind of small, so I'll just cut that in half. I'll show you up close in just a minute. Okay, see, this one is small. Okay, can you see it? So these are the blackberries. So just, if they're large, cut in half, and then cut into 2s. So those are the blackberries. You see the contrasting colors? It's going to be beautiful. All right, I'll cut a few more blackberries, then I'll come back. All right, you guys, I tested out one cookie, and this is how we're going to do it. We're going to turn it upside down, and we're going to put the cream cheese frosting on. Put only a little. Remember, because these cookies already have a drizzle on them. So put just a little of your cream cheese frosting. We're going to do the blackberry, the nectarines, and the strawberry. So let me show you how to do this. And make sure you have a paper towel handy, so when you pick up the fruit, it won't bleed. You know, it won't go into another section. So let me show you. Okay, here is the cookie. So we're just gonna spread it like this. Like I said, not a lot. And you know, this knife, we really need an offset knife to do this, but we gotta make it work, right? Okay, you see it? Now I'm going to do strawberries. You're just going to stack them in just one area, okay? So let's get another strawberry. Let's stack that there. Let's wipe our hands. Now we're going to get some nectarines. And let's stack them there. You see that? Now let's wipe our hand. Let me bring this strawberry over closer. Okay, now let's get the blackberries. Remember, you definitely have to wash your hands. I mean, you know, with a paper towel. Not wash them, but you know what I'm saying. You know, wipe it on a paper towel so the blackberry won't bleed. Okay, let's put that on there. Okay, can you see it? I think I need another strawberry. I mean, you know. Now, how is that? Is that gorgeous? Okay, stick this nectarine over. I mean, it don't have to be perfect like I'm trying to get it. Okay, you guys see that? I know it's dark in here and it really doesn't do it justice. All right, let me finish the rest of them. And when I come back, I will show you the final presentation. Okay, Raw family, here is the finished product and the presentation of the fruit pizza cookies. You see how the contrasting colors are so beautiful? And as I always state, remember, since it's now the summertime, go find you plates that have watermelons on it, have lemons, because you always want something in the background to really make your food pop. And also, as I had stated, I took some time off for redirections, and we're going to redirect this channel also. We're going to still do cooking, but I want people to know how to substitute items. Since we're having a food shortage, you know, you need to know, okay, if I don't have sugar, what can I use? If I don't have baking powder, what can I use? If I don't have eggs, what can I use? So we're going to eventually get into that so I can teach you guys how to substitute things that you don't have in your pantry. And also other things that we also will be doing. But all right, I'm trying to keep this focused. All right, let me grab one. And then I'm gonna bring it up close. Okay, can you see that? And you guys, this fruit is so freaking sweet. I am so glad I picked good fruit. All right, let me go in. Oh, wow. The cookie is soft. The cream cheese frosting is amazing because it's not too much. And I also added that lime juice, which balanced out the sweetness. All right, you guys. Thank you for watching. Please stay connected, stay safe, and I hope to put another video up before the weekend is out. God bless you. Again, thank you so much for watching.